Welcome back, friends, to this brand new Techhandy course on VMware vSphere 7. If you're interested in VMware virtualization, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll first create a Broadcom account, review available software download options, then download and install VMware Workstation Pro. Since VMware is now owned by Broadcom, all VMware software downloads are available through Broadcom's customer portal. The first thing we need to do is create a free Broadcom account. Head over to the Broadcom website. I have shared the link in video description as well. Select Login at the top right corner. Choose the Register option to create a new account and provide your email account to register your new account. Once you submit the email details, you'll receive an email from Broadcom with the verification code. Enter the code and hit Verify and Continue. On next page, provide the required details such as your name, country, job title, and a secure password. Once you submit the form, you'll receive a confirmation email and you're ready to log in. You can leverage additional services if you are using business account, but in our case we are going with default free account. Click on Login and type in your credentials. With your Broadcom account created, you'll now have access to VMware evaluation free software, including esxi, vCenter Server Appliance, and VMware Workstation Pro. This account will also be useful later for downloading patches, updates, and licensing information. Navigate to the My Downloads section, where you can find free available software. Some of the software and older versions are only available for the business accounts. You can find long list of available software, such as VMware vSphere, esxi Hypervisor and more. Explore them to download your desired software or ISO files. Next, look for VMware Workstation Pro. Depending on your host operating system, download latest available version, either the Windows installer or the Linux installer. For this course, I'll be using the Windows version. You will not able to directly download the software. You must need to click on Terms and Conditions first and select Checkbox. Additional information will be required to submit before you finally download the VMware Workstation Pro installer file. Fill in the form and hit Submit. Now you will be able to download finally. VMware Workstation Pro is a Type 2 hypervisor, which means it runs on top of your existing operating system. It allows us to create and run multiple virtual machines at the same time. More importantly, it supports nested virtualization, which is critical because we'll be installing esxi inside virtual machines hosted on Workstation Pro. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it as administrator. The installation process is very straightforward. Simply accept the license agreement, choose the default installation path, and proceed with the setup wizard. You can leave most options at their default settings unless you have specific preferences. After installation, launch VMware Workstation Pro. You should see the main interface where we'll soon begin creating our nested esxi hosts. At this stage, Workstation Pro is installed and ready to serve as the foundation for our vSphere lab. In the next video, we'll begin setting up our first nested esxi host inside VMware Workstation Pro. So, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's move on to the next step, installing esxi in our nested lab environment.